Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait or landscape mode, whichever one is preferable to you. After that, you move in. Look at what I have just done. You can come and position yourself as if you are easing yourself. All right, just come down here and do as if you are easing yourself. After some few seconds, you shock. Look at what I do. Then you can start moving back gradually. All right, then after that, now you will go out and change your clothes. That is if you want. Now that you are not seeing me here, I am busy changing my clothes outside. All right, you come down and change your clothes. After that, you can move in now for the second time. All right, look at me here with your cane. All right, then you just use your initiative to position yourself at this point. At this point now, you do as if you flogged someone. All right, as you do so, you can now start moving. Look at what I am doing. You can now start moving. You move to a point now. You can point that cane. Then you now turn back again and go back to that wall. All right, when you go there, you can just place your hand. After that, now you can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial as we create this ghost video together. At this point, you want to click on CapCut, new project. Now import your video to workspace. Click on your video now and go and locate volume. Guys, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. Before you move into the scene, click on this place and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Then you just move, go and locate the second character. All right, before you walk in as the second character, make a split. Then you look for overlay. All right, look for overlay, guys. Click on overlay now. Click on it and drag it to the beginning of the video. All right, so at this point, you want to click it now. Click it and go and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now. Auto removal, allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying. All right, okay guys, if you have enjoyed this video so far and you want to prank your friends with a ghost beat like this one you have just watched, hit the like button. Okay, and just in case there is a video you want us to create together, all right, there is a video you are saying this CapCut features is what I don't know how to do, I want us to create this one or create that one, just go and air your view at the comment section. All right, you might be lucky, I may pick yours in our next video. All right, just go there and air your view. Drop your comments. I am replying to every comment this time. All right, and if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to the tutorial. So at this point, you can see it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. Okay, look at what we are going to do. Locate where this other character, the one on red, second layer, where he has lifted up this cane. Go and locate that place. The point where you this point, you want to click on it now and make a split. Delete the first part, we don't need it again. Then at this point, all right, you want to do some adjustment here, guys. You want to locate where the guy is shocked, so that the cane, the moving of the cane and this shocking the other first person, so that they will be together. Just align it. You are the one to do it. When he hits him with the cane and when he shock, you know, we shoot the video differently, so you will do the necessary adjustment. Look at it, I think I have gotten it. All right, just calm down, do your necessary adjustment. By the time you have gotten it, okay, you can see what I am doing. I am doing some necessary adjustment. Don't rush here, take time here, so that your video will look professional. All right, so that your video will look professional, it will look very okay. They will play together. You can see I am doing my amendment, looking for the point where when I hit him the cane and when he shocked, so that two of them we rhyme, so two of them we blend together. Okay, look at what I am doing. After this one now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to come back here. You click on the video and add your keyframe. All right, you want to add your keyframe. As you add your keyframe now, you cropple this character. Look at what I am doing. Cropple the ghost part, the second layer, the one you added keyframe on it. Cropple him gradually. Don't rush. As you are croppling him, you are positioning him the way you want him to be. I want him to come out from this place. I will move the video a bit up. All right, just cropple him. After croppling him now, you are going to adjust the video. All right, after you adjust the video, then you reveal him again. Just reveal him. Don't bother. As you are revealing him, the key will add automatically. So as you are revealing him, you are positioning him at the point where you want him to come out from. Look at what I am doing. So reveal this character for the second time. After revealing him now, you position him where you want him to be. Let us see how he's going to play. This is good. So at this point, the next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to come back, locate that first key, the first key you added. Click on that first key. Then you want to click on splice now. You click on splice. Then you adjust it to 0 level. Adjust it to 0 level. So adjust it to 0 level now. Then you are moving the video. You know we are working on ghost. So you are moving the video. You are opening the character. You are revealing the character again gradually, because it is ghost that we are working. You are moving him. When you get to the last key, you can make it like 75 so that it will be a bit faded, because it's a ghost that we are trying to create. So you make this last key 75. After that, let's play it and see what we have got. Look at it now. Good. This part is good. Just allow the video to play to a point so that I will show you the next thing we are going to be doing. Allow it to play. Just allow it to play. He has pointed at the guy. Then he will turn back. Now the ghost has just pardoned him. At this point, the ghost will now turn back. All right, he's going back to that wall again. So when he gets to that wall and touch that wall, I will tell you the next thing we are going to be doing. All right, just allow him to get to the wall. Immediately he touches this wall, you want to click on the video and make a split. You add your keyframe again. Add your keyframe. Then you click on splice. Then as you add it, you click on splice. Then you adjust the video a little bit. Then you drag this one to 0 level again. You mark on that good and go back. At this point, we are going to play it from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. Play the video from beginning. Look at the video is playing now. As you are playing the video, you come down to watch it. All right, this is an examination time. Come down to watch it in case if there are some amendments or you have made mistake unknowingly, so that you will correct your necessary mistakes. But we are coming down now to watch the video. All right, look at it. Is this not good? This is fantastic. You can try this at the comfort of your home. All right, you can try it. All right, look at it now. He placed his hand on the wall, then he disappears. The next thing now is to mark out the unwanted part. Click here and make a split. All right, make a split. Click on the second one, make a split. Delete this one, then you delete the other one too. So at this point now, we have created this video. Nothing is remaining. What will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying out there, I don't know how to add those necessary things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. I'll put you through on how you add your necessary effects. Then after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. But there is another thing you need to know, or you need to be aware of here. Remember, you use auto remove BG, and auto remove BG is a pro features. All right, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. All right, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. All right, go and locate that video and watch it. After then, you will come back now and learn how you will export this video with ease. Then you come down and export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. Okay guys, if this video have helped you, let me know at the comment section. All right, and if there is any CapCut effect or style you want us to create, like I said before, just go and drop it at the comment section. You might be lucky. I might pick yours in my next video. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.